Show you how to use two different tools today. First, we're going to start with a face milling operation. We're going to open a new file and then we're going to create a block. It's going to be 50 by 50 by 1 and it's going to be located in, well, the final size of the piece is 4 millimeters, but the original piece is 5 millimeters, so we're going to center it. That's it, there we have, and there's the gap that we're going to fill. Then I'm going to create a little island and I'm going to make an initial face milling operation. I'm going to extrude this piece, this part is going to be 3 millimeters, so my face milling is going to be 1 millimeter depth. After we have the final piece, we're going to go to to manufacturing, and we're going to select a planar mill operation. We're going to create a 12 millimeter tool. Then we set the parameters and we're going to create a geometry that's going to be the workpiece, and this is going to be the face milling geometry. We select the piece, we select a bounding block that is going to be 1 millimeter on seed plus because that's what we are going to cut, and we specify the check, and we're going to create an operation. It's going to be a wall and floor operation. The geometry is face milling, the tool is 12 millimeter, and if we just select the face of this little island and we just program like that in a zigzag operation, uh, if we just program like that, it's going to cut only this part. You're going to see like that, and let's verify it. That's it. It just cut this part because we need to extend the the floor, and we're going to here cut parameters. We go to extend the floor to the walls of the piece like that, and just like that we verify again, and you're going to see that our face milling operation is complete. There we have. After that, I'm going to create another tool that is going to be a 6 millimeter tool, but in this case it's going to be a contour tool because we're going to make a contour operation. We're going to create the geometry is going to be the mill area, and the geometry is going to be a new one. Use that. Okay, we're going to change the name. We select the piece. We select the area that is going to cut. We specify the walls. And we're going to create the operation. It's going to be a mill contour operation, a cavity mill operation, and the geometry is contouring. The method is going to be finish, and we're going to use a 6 millimeter tool. So after that, we're going to specify the speeds. We're going to specify the spindle speed to 800 and the feed rate to 120. Then we're going to check. and there we have the final operation. Specify the bounding block, and there it is. So if we want to, to see what happens with both operations, we just need to select both of the operations and verify them, and just click in OK. There we have the first one, and there we have the other one using different tools. Hope you enjoyed this video, and see you next class.